Good morning, students. Now, today we discuss third passage of the lesson. Here I show you a passage. Now, our third passage starts with red, that is red pink color. The inspector had smiled, starting and ending with they had a teacher. Let us see in this third passage. Now, second passage, we come to know here county inspector arrived and he was repairing a mechanical teacher, and in that process here Margie was the sick of that kind of school. The inspector had smiled after he was finished. Look at the passage. The inspector had smiled after he was finished and patted Margie's head. Means Margie was small, and that's why a county inspector had a soft and kind word for the child. He said to her mother, "It's not the little girl's fault, Mrs. Jones," mother's name. "I think the geography sector was geared a little too quick." So, county inspector found out the problem of the mechanical teacher. He said that it's not a Margie's problem, that the problem related to the mechanical teacher and it doesn't work and somehow hanged. So especially geography sector was geared, means that kind of language says that here mechanical teacher who is very expert, and that expert also has difficulties and mechanical problem. Those things happen sometimes. I have slowed it up to an average 10-year level. So these sentences tell us that how and which part here county inspector repaired, that much he mentions. Actually, the overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory, and he patted Margie's head again. So, county inspector repaired that mechanical teacher, and he observed Margie's homework, test, and marks, and he quietly appreciated and give her best wishes for her future, and especially about that progress he presented before her mother. So mother also became happy. Margie was disappointed, but here Margie was disappointed. The reason is something different. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. So she said to Tommy, "Why would anyone write about school?" Okay, before that, here disappointment reason is given that once Tommy's mechanical teacher was not working well. So that mechanical teacher was taken for a month for repairing. Now Margie thinks her mechanical teacher doesn't work. So county inspector takes away for a month and she can enjoy. But happens something different. County inspector repaired within half an hour and she was disappointed. So here she said to Tommy another question, "Why would anyone write about school?" So Margie has another question for that boy. She says that why Why would anyone write about school? Tommy looked at her with very superior eyes. So Margie gets angry about that school concept somehow, and she says that why do people write about school? Means here the boy gets angry about, and he was looking with angry eyes, superior eyes, because it's not our kind of school, stupid. Then boy, that Tommy explained the concept that Margie, it's not like our school. This is the old kind of school that they had hundreds and hundreds of years ago, he added loftily, pronouncing the word carefully, centuries ago. So the boy was advising her the concept of school of the modern age. Now they are futuristic. Margie was hurt. Well, I don't know what kind of school they had all that time ago. She read the book over his shoulder for a while, then said, anyway, they had a teacher. So, in this way, that boy and Margie both were reading the book and experiencing of the previous school. How were school buildings, students, and teachers. So, in this way, in this passage, we come to know here county inspector gave positive remark to Margie. Then Margie and that boy are talking about that book, and they are reading the book. Let us see. So every passage here, A1, A2, A3, we can understand, we can manage to write. The difficult part that A4 and A5. Let us see A4 and A5 for this third passage. Now passage 3, you mention, note down, the inspector had dash dash, they had a teacher. A4, they had a teacher. Add a question tag. So for that you write as it is sentence, they had a teacher. This sentence you copy as it is. Then in place of full stop, put comma. If the helping verb is affirmative, write negative. While writing, think about the given sentence had, have past tense had, MV2 means simple past tense, and in simple past tense, didn't helping verb is taken, and then subject pronoun is written, didn't they. Look at the second sentence, the teachers didn't live in the house, make affirmative sentence. The now while making affirmative, look at the word didn't. So in place of didn't, if you write failed to, the sentence becomes affirmative. Now in A5 personal response, what do you like more, ebook or book? Give reason. So here one specific answer. I like ebook more than book because it does not become old. It saves our time and money. It provides number of book. It is alternative for school bag also. So that way you write your answer. So in this way, we have learned third passage. I hope you are writing down in your classwork, that is notebook, and every passage starting and ending, and A4 and A5. Here questions you note down in your notebook. So one by one, if you collect that way, lesson wise, passage wise, A4 and A5, it's a big collection that a drop make ocean, and your mind becomes mature to write in the exam. So this is our today's session. I stop here. Thank you.